oil, that is. Black gold, Texas tea. We hit it with some brake fluid, a little bit of simple green, just to try to loosen it up. But now we're going to try TSP and a scrub brush. I couldn't find a regular scrub brush, so I'm improvising with a toothbrush. Let's see how this works. So what we read online is you take some TSP and you put it all over the oil spill, and it soaks it up a little bit, and then you got to scrub it out. We found a gigantic scrubber, and it's called a broom. Figured it would be the best tool for the job. So I'm doing a second application, but I want to point out that the right way to use TSP, which stands for trisodium phosphate, is to make sure to always have glasses on. If you're actually going to get it on your skin, you have to have gloves on. You do not want to get it on your skin. And do not breathe it. So even though it's windy today, make sure that you do not get it in your mouth or the mouths of any of your loved ones or your pets. So we're not really getting the results that we were looking for. We've done 4 applications of TSP so far. Rinsed it off and we're still seeing the spot. So next we're going to try good old-fashioned Dawn liquid, just like they did during the Valdez oil spill, and see if that works. We couldn't find any Dawn dish detergent under the sink in the kitchen. I found some Palmolive and some Meyers. I have a feeling that the Palmolive is going to work really well. Let's try. It didn't matter how hard I tried to scrub that oil stain. Even with an oil pan underneath the old 1963 Chevy truck, it still spilled right over the sides. But I'll tell you what, the spot underneath this new oil spot is way cleaner than it was before. I guess we'll have to try it all over again.